everyone, welcome to Thyrus Web Development Tips and Tutorials. In this video, I will talk about 8 things you need to learn once you are done with HTML and CSS. You figured out that HTML and CSS are the basic building blocks for making websites, and you learned them. Great! Now you're thinking, what next? The most common answer to this question you hear is JavaScript. I disagree. If you want to become a great front-end or a full-stack web developer, there are some more things you must learn before jumping onto JavaScript. Number 1. Learn about layouts. Static, fluid, adaptive, and responsive. And learn by developing complete websites, lots of them. Almost every website that's thriving today follows a responsive layout. So dive deep and learn about media queries, mobile-first approach, and practice. Number 2. Learn to develop from wireframes or mockups. How to do that? Simple. Create clones of your favorite existing websites and get to the details. 80% of the look can be achieved without much effort. It's the little details that take time and teach you the most. Details like using exact icons, placement, spacing, shadows, fonts, and so on. Number 3. Learn to get your website working on all major browsers and for all screen sizes. Use the responsive mode and developer tools in your browser to check what your website looks like on small phones, large phones, portrait and landscape mode, tablets, and extra large desktops. Here again, lots of practice helps. Number 4. Learn basic typography. What is serif font, what is sans serif, display fonts, what to use for headings, paragraphs, what combination of fonts go well, and so on. Start checking the fonts of some websites that you really like. You will begin to notice that most professional looking websites use sans serif fonts for most of their content. Number 5. Learn about spacing. You can observe great websites and take notes of how the elements are spaced out. Observe how uniformly the contents flow. Spacing between sections, images and text, line spacing, letter spacing, everything matters. Number 6. Get a basic idea of Sass and BEM. They are very important concepts for maintaining huge CSS code. If you become a part of developing a huge project someday, you would surely be using one of these concepts. Number 7. Learn basic SEO, search engine optimization, and website performance optimization. You don't need to be an SEO expert to get the basics right. Learn about the most important factors for a website to rank high in searches for the target market. And about website performance, do learn about image optimization, minimizing file size, etc. Number 8. Last in my list but really important. Do learn how to make the web more accessible. At least the basics. Use of semantic HTML, use of alt tag for images, color contrast, not using very small fonts, and multiple such factors. And then you can learn JavaScript to take your website to a whole new level. For user interaction, DOM manipulation, and to interact with APIs, backend, and so on. Let me know in the comments below if you think there's something else as important as these 8 things in the video. Thank you for watching. Hit a like and share this video ahead. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to subscribe below and turn on the notifications so you won't miss a single video from Thyrus.